When you search for lung exerciser devices, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually helps your breathing and what's just a gimmick, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Tie & Go 5,000 milliliters breathing trainer. First up, we have the Tie & Go breathing exercise device. Priced at $26.99. This one caught my eye for its impressive 5,000 milliliters capacity. If you want to seriously improve your lung capacity, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large 5,000 milliliters capacity allows you to gradually build up your breathing strength. This is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their respiratory health or recover after surgery. The built-in flow rate indicator helps you control your breath. If you go too fast, it alerts you to slow down. Plus, it's got clear volume markings so you can track your progress over time. With a rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,200 reviews, many users have shared their success stories after consistent use. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your lung health, a larger device can actually be a benefit since it allows for greater capacity training. It might not be the most portable option, but the results speak volumes. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an illness or just want to improve your overall lung health. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or prefer a more compact design. For the price, you're getting solid value and effective results. Now, if the size of Tie & Go's device bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tie & Go Deep Breathing Trainer. Next, we have another option from Tie & Go, also priced at $26.99. This deep breathing trainer has similar features, but it's a bit more compact. If you're looking for a device that supports your respiratory wellness in a more manageable size, this is worth checking out. What makes this trainer stand out is its focus on controlled breathing. It encourages you to aim for steady, deep breaths, which is essential for anyone serious about lung health. With clear markings to track your progress, you can see how your breathing improves over time. Plus, it's designed for easy cleaning, which is a must if you're using it regularly. The same high rating of 4.6 stars shows that users appreciate its effectiveness. However, some users reported that it could be a bit difficult to get used to at first. But here's the thing. Once you find your rhythm, it can significantly enhance your breathing technique. Remember, it's not just about the device, but how you use it. This is a great choice if you're someone who travels frequently or needs a device that doesn't take up much space. Skip it if you want a maximum capacity for deep lung training. For the price, it offers solid benefits and convenience. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for adjustable resistance. Product number 3, Inhale Lung Trainer. Coming in at $19.99, we have the Inhale Lung Trainer. This one immediately caught my attention because it's designed and assembled in the USA, focusing on quality and durability. If you want a lung exerciser that adjusts to your progress, this one deserves a closer look. What's great about this device is the bidirectional adjustable resistance. You can control both your inhale and exhale, which is perfect for building up your lung capacity steadily. Whether you're training for sport or just want to improve how you breathe during workouts, this trainer grows with you. Users report feeling the difference in just a few sessions, which is pretty encouraging. With a 4.3-star rating and 2,000 reviews, people are really seeing results. That said, some users found the resistance dial a bit tricky to adjust during use. Here's my take. Once you get the hang of it, you can easily customize your sessions to match your needs. It might take a little patience, but that flexibility is worth it. This trainer is ideal if you're an athlete or anyone wanting to enhance their lung function. Skip it if you prefer a simpler device without adjustable features. At this price, it's a solid investment for your health. Now, if you're after something focused on mucus clearance, the next product is specifically designed for that purpose. Product number 4, Tie & Go Flutter Valve Device. Next up is the Tie & Go Flutter Valve Device, also priced at $19.99. This one is particularly intriguing because it focuses on enhancing lung exercise and helping with mucus removal. If you're dealing with respiratory issues, this could be a game changer. The flutter valve device uses OPEP technology to promote mucus clearance, which is crucial for better breathing. It's easy to use and helps you strengthen your lung muscles without any complicated setup. Recommended for twice-a-day use. Just a few minutes can make a significant difference in your lung capacity. With a 4.4-star rating from over 1,100 reviews, many users have noted its effectiveness in improving their breathing. However, some users mention it might take a bit of practice to get the technique right. Here's the thing. While it might be a learning curve, the benefits for your respiratory health are worth that initial effort. This device is perfect for anyone looking to clear mucus and improve lung function. Skip it if you want something that focuses on general breathing exercises rather than mucus clearance. For $19.99, it's a practical tool for better lung health. Now, for something a bit more user-friendly, let's check out the final product on my list. Product number 5. Jyisk Breathing Exercise Device. Finally, we have the Jyisk Breathing Exercise Device, priced at $25.99. I was drawn to this device because of its focus on mucus relief and lung expansion. If you want something lightweight and easy to use, this could be your best bet. What sets this device apart is its positive expiratory pressure, PEP, therapy that helps mobilize mucus and promotes better respiratory health. It's straightforward to use and doesn't have complicated settings, making it accessible for most users. With a 4.2-star rating and over 1,600 reviews, many people appreciate how simple it is to incorporate into their daily routine. One downside is that some users found it less effective at higher resistance levels. Here's my perspective. For most people, especially beginners, the ease of use and convenience might outweigh that concern. You can always start simple and gradually increase as you become more comfortable. This device is perfect for anyone looking for an easy-to-use breathing trainer without complexity. Skip it if you're looking for an intense workout for your breathing muscles. At this price point, it offers great value and effectiveness. So there you have it. We looked at 5 fantastic lung exerciser devices, each with unique features to help you breathe better. From the Tie & Go 5,000 milliliters for serious training to the Inhale Trainer with adjustable resistance, there's something for everyone. No matter which one you choose, your lung health journey is just a breath away.